Welcome to 60 Seconds to Code, where I show you how to code in 60 seconds or less. Today you will learn about dictionaries, accessing values in a dictionary, adding new key value pairs to a dictionary, and modifying a dictionary. A dictionary is a data type consisting of key value pairs. For example, the keys in the dictionary on the screen are name, state, age, and hobbies. Step 1. Create a dictionary consists of similar key value pairs for yourself. Pause the video if necessary to see the syntax. Step 2. Type print, open parentheses, my dictionary, open brackets, open quotes, name, close quotes, close brackets, close parentheses, exactly as it appears on the screen. Step 3, type my dictionary, open parentheses, married is equal to true, and in the next line type print my dictionary exactly as it appears on the screen. Step 4, type my dictionary, open brackets, married, close brackets is equal to false, and then the next line type print my dictionary exactly as it appears on the screen. Step 5, type del, open parentheses, my dictionary, open brackets, married, close brackets, close parentheses, and in the next line type print my dictionary exactly as it appears on the screen. Step 6, run the file, and for practice, try accessing the values of the hobbies key and see if you can print each hobby. Congratulations, you've learned about dictionaries, accessing values in a dictionary, and modifying values in a dictionary. Push your code to GitHub and code a little every day because code is life.